What going on, MinajRun gang? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am MinajRun, blood clots Belize. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different, and this is gonna be the most special video on my YouTube channel. And the reason I say the most special one is because my best friend in the whole entire world, this is the first time she's gonna do a video with me. She's not here, but she's like here, you know what I mean? So we couldn't do what we really wanted to do because, you know, distance and everything, but we make sure it worked and we did a video for you guys. And guys, please just flood the comments down below with so much love, because this is the first time my best friend ever come on YouTube, and she come especially just my channel. So I notice out of all I wanna watch my videos, they got 3% I wanna watch my videos no subscribe. So you know what, before the video even start, subscribe right now and give this a big thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what part of Belize to watch this from. Boom, period. And we're gonna start the video easy. Cause this intro long as fuck. But you know guys, follow me on all my social media. The links are in the description down bar. Follow me on all my social media, guys. The links are always in the description bar down below, or follow me right there. So you see this name right there, so right there, so follow this MinajRun Belize on all your social media and you'll find me. And if you want links to my best friend's social media, it's down in the description bar, and also it will be on the screen when she's singing and or when she rap and when she talk. I'm not gonna sense, I'm so fucking excited because this is like I told you, this is the most exciting video in my life, the most special video in my entire YouTube career. Guys, I hope you guys love this video, and enough talking, I'm just gonna start the video. See this rest, now I move. Okay, see there?
What it going, MinajRun gang? I'm sorry I look a little crazy. I got some bags. I am not hungover at all. I'm just tired and a little hungover. Anyways, you're probably wondering why I'm on here and Austin isn't. Because this is my channel now, and Austin could just kiss my I'm on here just to introduce myself real quick. I am a really good friend of Austin's. I make music a little bit for myself. Sometimes I'll post it on my Instagram, but I don't really like put content out, but I will soon. So follow my social media: Instagram at JIZETTexx, Snapchat at JIZETTexx, Twitter at JIZETTexx. I'm gonna start putting music out pretty soon, so keep up with my shit. Austin has said that a few of you guys have asked him about his intro on his YouTube channel, which the song is mine. Yeah, so shout out to you guys who vibe with my music or whatever, you know. I appreciate that. I appreciate the love. Anyway, I'm on here because Austin asked me to do this real fun project where he wanted me to freestyle rap his makeup tutorial, so that's what we're doing today. I hope you guys enjoy it. I've never done something like this before, so just bear with us. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow him, drop a comment, share his videos. He's a great person, guys. He's amazing. He's the best person I know. Alright guys, so I got a whole setup ready for the thing. I'm going to be using these headphones. They have no wire because they're wireless and they're soundproof and they're already connected to my computer, for those of you guys who might say, oh, there's no wire on the headphones. Anyways, also, I'm really bad at holding cameras. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I have a whole setup going on here. I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put the camera on, maybe somewhere on the isolation shield. Something like that. Don't need no Anastasia Beverly Hills, yeah, he keep it real for real. Make do with what we got, shit, we ain't got a lot, but we serving looks, yeah, like Sunday dinner, hot, he use that Morphe 305 in the dark brown, make him come alive with that found. We don't got concealer, we don't need that either, it's like a makeup movement, call my guy Aretha, yo, I got you bestie, yeah, shit, I can even make a rap to this, yeah, make a rap to this, do your thing, boy, yeah, he make it hot, pop, yeah, make it hot, pop, yeah, can't nobody hold you down, yo, can't nobody hold you down, yeah, Gotta put the tape down for the excess. He about to do the eyeshadow tapes for the mess. Yeah, and for the cleanliness, yo, the preciseness. Now let's go in with a neutral shade, yeah. Makes the blending easy and no shade, yeah. Now he going in with some light purple, and now he blending and he packing on the dark purple. I see he blending and he do it in a circle. I don't even know. Yo, I know I got and I came into this shit. Okay, alright, let me get back to it. Yeah, I can rap to this. Yeah, I can even fucking rap to this. Yo, going for the motherfucking cut. Wait, that wasn't cut crease. He was just cleaning it up. We gon' stunt on these bitches, cause you know these hating bitches get stitches. Let's conceal it. Yeah. Hey yo, clean that shit up with concealer or foundation or whatever. Shit, whatever works for you or whatever makes it better. Now he finishing the eyes with that metallic shade better. Everything done with that Morphe 305. Get like MinajRun, yeah, and make shit come alive. Now you can take the tape off and go in and moisturize. Yeah, hit them with the foundation, set in stone. Spread that shit with your finger, brush alone. It's whatever you prefer, now conceal, don't defer. Clean that shit up, look at her. Set your face with powder. Got a bronze bone structure. Can't believe I made a rap to this. Now we dust the powder off, yeah. Hit him with that lip gloss, yeah. Now we hit him with the glue, what it do? Now we put them lashes on, 1, 2, check. Go bestie, yeah. Can't nobody hold you down. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Can't nobody hold you down. Yeah. What they do. I think that's about it. I'm sorry I never showed my face. It was kind of, I couldn't get the camera set up, and it was just, you don't want to see my weird facial expressions when I'm rapping, so. Austin's probably gonna beat me up because I didn't show my face for most of the video, but whatever is whatever. Oh. And this lighting is really off. I did it like this on purpose though, because I have bad lighting anyway. I wanted it to be kind of dark. I record in the dark all the time. It sets the mood, it gets me vibing, whatever. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Again, I'm sorry, I'm really shit at recording. This is why nobody can give me a camera, or why I can never have my own YouTube channel, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope I wasn't too shitty with the vocals and shit. Remind you, this entire rap is unedited. It was just my raw vocals, freestyled, no edit, no anything. I had some auto-tune on some of it, but that's pretty much it. I hope you liked it. Let me know, guys.
Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. So guys, please do me a huge favor, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and follow me on all my social media. Follow Jizette on all her social media. The links are always in the description bar down below, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial / rap session with Jizettexx and my makeup. I done mess up my shirt, but anyways, point blank period. And thank you guys so much for watching my little runners, you guys. It means the world to me that you guys love my content, and trust me, guys, more videos are coming. I literally mean it this time when I say more videos come. If you don't believe me, you say I post a video Monday. Who may expect that? Nobody. So turn your post notification on. So anytime I post a YouTube video, you guys are the first one to be notified every time I post a new YouTube video. So with that said, guys, thank you so much. Love you, MinajRun gang. You guys are the shit. I love you so fucking much. You guys are the shit, like I say. Anyways, I just want to left and say thank you guys so much for supporting me in my journey. I will make an upload very soon. So just put on all these seatbelts and get ready for this drive. Ooh, skirt. Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. You know what's good. So you're done there. Might as well you go watch the rest of the video and get to know me a little bit better. Click the subscribe button as well and subscribe and go watch the videos. Easy.